When it comes to content, most people think they need to work harder to get results. But the truth is, the smartest creators are the ones who use tools that save time. ShortBeast AI is one of those tools. It takes care of the full process, from writing the script to editing the video, so you don't have to. What used to take hours can now be done in a fraction of the time, giving you space to focus on strategy, growth, or even other income streams. This is how you work smarter, not harder, in today's content game. Want to start working smarter? Sign up with my link in the description and get started with ShortBeast AI today.